Down on the 396 Super Sport. We got it sitting on the frame now, and the pressure is all applied now, torqued with the whole body is torqued to the frame. All the holes are lined up. We got our new steel plates on there. As you can see, all washers now are in between. Our tack weld, this thing is nice, super tight. You'd have to feel it to believe it. We're able now to move forward. Now we went ahead and welded the floors in. Nice fully weld on our floors. There's our seat mounts. We'll go ahead and get these in next, set them in place. We already stripped that and got the zinc on it now so it doesn't rust. As we're going to walk around here, we'll show you. We got a nice fully weld on that there. Ain't that nice? Nice and weld, lock it in. And this is very sheet metal. Some of it's fragile, some of it ain't, but we got it now. We got inner wheel weld tubs, inner and outers coming because they were damaged so bad from the rigged up weld work and butcher that he did. On the top plate, we got a new one came. We got the other ones already removed. We got to do some cleanup work still. We needed the chrome for the diagram to set up the quarters and the sides and the mounts now. We'll need this chrome because you got to remember, we got to fit the sheet metal to the chrome. Got to remember the chrome, you don't want to bend it up, so you got to make everything fit to that chrome. All right, as we walk around now, we'll show you how nice the perch now is setting. All the washers are in, it's torqued down. Now we have a nice solid car that's feeling like it's going to be worth some money. All nice solid floor now. I'll clean the rest of the floor up to match it all. It's all perched in there nice and setting on all of its mounts. All the mounts has been redone. I upgraded them, all plated them out. Alright, now we'll get back to you a little bit. We'll show you how this body's coming out. But I wanted to show you a little thing here. This is the item what I told you about on the back panel. Check these parts before you take them. Look at that. This is totally respectable. I cannot believe the damage of that lid. You can tell somebody must have just do something right on it. You can see it on the box. Alright, but this is on the 396 Super Sport 4-speed car. Alright, we'll get back to you and we'll show you. End of week 3, 15 days in. We're moving right along.